dedicated not to America's top model, but to the natural girls right next door.
Hey guys, it's your girl Eve and I'm back at it again. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my signature afro. So I'm going in with water, my first ever ingredient before I do any protective style or any hairstyle. So I just spray it all over my hair and then I massage it in, as you will see. Yes. Then next I like to go in with my Jamaican black castor oil in extra dark, and then I just massage it like doing the same routine, starting from the root and then working my way up. So I'm taking down this 3 weeks twist that's been in my hair for the longest time, I guess you can call it. So I'm just taking it out, and I'm telling you, like, these curls, well, this twist out actually came out so beautifully, like on my hair. You just see it in the video, so let's just watch.
Look at my money, how it's falling. Baby, I'm flexing. I'm flexing. I hear your body call. Baby, I'm flexing. I'm flexing. We can do it like up in that close.
So then I'm taking my comb and I'm just combing it through. My wide tooth comb. I'm just combing it through. And then I'm gonna tie the hair to get it out of the way, and then work on the other side. Alright, so the way I get my afro like in shape, what I do is I use my afro comb and I fluff out the hair, make it as puffy as possible, and then use my hand to pat the hair in shape. So as you'll see, just continue watching. And yeah, that is the end of the video, so I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, like, share with your family, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I hear your body call.